You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout, I'm telling you why. Jimmy Hoffa is coming to town.
That's not how the song goes.
Oh, but it is so true. And you're going to be the Grand Marshal of the 78th Annual Christmas Parade put on by the Salisbury Jaycees.
Listen, there is so much more that you're going to want to see than fat old jolly me. So how about we focus on that? Here to help us with the Salisbury Christmas Parade, this is the Christmas Parade coordinator, Emily Goebel, along with Christmas Parade committee member, Jamie Nichols.
Welcome.
I love your hat.
Thank you.
Love your hat. Thank you guys for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So this is the 78th.
78th year of the Salisbury Jaycees Christmas Parade.
Oh
Yep.
my goodness. And you're doing a retro theme?
We're doing retro themes. So every year the committee gets together and everybody comes up with different ideas and then we all vote, kind of like throw the name in the hat and we pick one out. And this year it was retro, so.
Oh, nice.
Very
exciting.
cool.
I'm glad. Okay, so tell us what else we can see at the parade this year, Emily.
Yeah, so we've got lots of entries in the parade this year. We've got dignitaries, and Jimmy is our Grand Marshal, and we've got bands and fire departments and mascots. Of course, we'll have Santa there at the end.
Ooh.
It's going to be. So there's a lot that's got to go into this. Talk to us a little bit about the preparation.
So much. So we start actually prepping in like July and start getting the layouts. We meet with city officials and county officials to make sure that we can get the roads closed and everything set up, and then getting our registration forms out to the public and then collecting all of them and then actually putting them in a whole lineup. So a lot of work goes behind the scenes of
Wow.
it.
And of course, the parade is a huge undertaking, but it's not the only thing the Jaycees do. You have a lot of other activities.
We sure do.
Plenty of things throughout the year.
Yeah, so we do an adaptive Easter egg hunt in the spring. Actually, the day before the Christmas parade, we're doing a shopping tour with our Jaycees Foundation. And we take about 100 kids from the local elementary schools shopping who are less fortunate that don't have much or maybe have never seen Santa before, don't maybe get Christmas presents, and so we go shopping for all of them as well, which is one of our most prideful events that we do.
It's amazing what you guys do. Are you looking for new members?
Always.
Yeah.
Of course. Anyone 18 to 40 can join, and we're happy to have everyone from the community.
Yeah. All right, so with the parade, where do folks go? Where do they line up to watch it?
Yeah, so the parade will start on the corner of Civic and Mount Herman and travel down Mount Herman, down East Main, and end at City Park. So it's a really great, long, wide kind of lineup this year, so space yourself out throughout the lineup. We've got plenty of room for everyone.
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be absolutely fantastic.
What are you going to wear?
Probably a whole bunch of layers. A whole bunch of layers. Is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to the most? I mean, other than Santa.
This is one of my favorite events of the year. I've been helping chair it for probably 5 or 6 years now, and just to be able to see the look on all of the people's faces when we're coming down, because the Jaycees go at the very end of the parade right before Santa to kind of kick Santa off, and so to see everybody's faces and everybody just happy and excited to see everything, it just brings that joy, you know, that we want all year round here.
Yeah.
How about you, Emily?
Yeah, so we've got a great committee working on this. All of our members have been doing a lot of work for the past couple of months, so I'm just excited to be there day of and see it all come together, because you don't really know until you're there day of, all the work.
Going to be huge.
It's always a great time.
Fun, yeah.
And Jimmy Hoffa is the Grand Marshal.
Now, did you notice that I get to be Grand Marshal and they're doing a retro theme? Does that mean anything?
I don't think so.
Okay,
I don't think
we won't go there.
But I do like how they're kind of sandwiching it in between two white beards. It's going to be a good time.
It's going to be a good time. It's going to be a good time. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us. Emily, it's so good to have you.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to it. It's going to be a hoot. Going to be a hoot.